Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're making pepper chicken breast curry. Please watch at least 3 minutes of the video before commenting. You will need 200 grams of chicken breast. Wash the chicken breast and cut it into pieces. Add lemon juice. Add the black pepper. And add garlic and ginger paste. 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Half a tablespoon of salt. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix it all together. Leave it for 20 minutes. Add the oil. You will need 1 big onion. Mix it all together. Add a bit of black pepper. Also add cinnamon sticks. Half a cup of water. One tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Mix it all together. Then add mixed masala. One tomato. Add the chicken breast. Mix it all together. Ten minutes later, add the peppers. Mix it all together. Half a cup of water. Five minutes later, it should look like this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye guys, have a good day.